Hello my viewers, what I've got for you here today is a Banvil industrial ceiling fan. As you can see it says Banvil, and it is the bronze line model, and it's 36 inches, so I'm going to turn it on for you. First I'm going to start with the low speed. I have a 4-speed control on it. Here it is. And it's down on mount, as you can see. And it's actually the reversible model of fan, but the control I have is not a reversible control, so I can only run on forward. See, it's pretty quiet. Anyway, here's the next speed up. It goes a bit faster. Pretty powerful, as you can see. Wanting a lot of air. Next speed. See, it's very powerful. Now for the high speed. As you can see, it's extremely powerful. It has very good bearings. It's blowing tons and tons of air. It's basically like a helicopter. Now for off. So here's the spin down time. And it has curved blades, as you can see. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.